Before you begin, remove 7 of the rubber inserts, the stand bottom cover, the fan, the M.2 solid-state drive if it's installed, the wireless LAN module, the heatsink, the speaker mesh, and the speakers. Removal. When removing the CPU, install a socket cover on the load plate window before replacing the load plate over the socket. Detach the tape securing the wireless dongle to the stand top cover assembly. Remove the wireless dongle cable from the routing channel in the stand top cover. Disconnect the volume dial cable from the motherboard. Remove the 5 P2 Phillips head screws securing the motherboard to the stand top cover assembly. Gently lift the motherboard out of the unit. Turn the motherboard over and disconnect the wireless dongle from the motherboard. Remove the motherboard and place it in an anti-static bag. Replacement. Remove the new motherboard from the anti-static bag. Turn the motherboard over and connect the wireless dongle to the motherboard. Gently place the motherboard in its position on the unit. Replace the 5 P2 Phillips head screws to secure the motherboard to the stand top cover assembly. Connect the volume dial cable to the motherboard. Route the wireless dongle cable in the routing channel in the stand top cover assembly. Attach the tape securing the wireless dongle to the stand top cover assembly. Note, when replacing a motherboard, you need to restore the CMOS factory settings before reassembling the remaining components of the unit. Restoring the CMOS factory settings. Remove the battery from the motherboard. Wait 30 seconds. Replace the battery to the motherboard. CMOS factory settings are now reset. Note, you will need to enter the system BIOS and reset the clock in the BIOS after this procedure.